Here are super easy to make DIY aloe vera recipes you can make at home for faster hair growth. Method 1. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons honey, shower cap. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Start by massaging this mixture into your scalp and then work it down to the tips of your hair. Focus on the tips as these are the most damaged parts of your hair. Once all of your hair is covered in the mixture, throw a shower cap on and wait for about 25 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water and shampoo. Finish with conditioner. Use this method once a week for amazing results. Coconut oil and honey make an excellent conditioning combination which helps seal moisture to your hair shafts. This mask will contribute to maintaining your hair, so you won't have to get trims as often, letting you retain your hair's length. Method 2. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 egg yolk, shower cap. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth and consistent paste. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair. Ensure that you're focusing mostly on your roots and tips. Once your hair is fully covered in the mixture, cover it with a shower cap. Wait with the mixture on for about 20 to 25 minutes. Wash the mixture out with cool water and shampoo. You do not want to use warm water at this point because it will cook the egg in the mixture. Finish with conditioner. Use this once a week. The yolk of an egg contains all the fat, which makes it an effective conditioning ingredient. In combination with olive oil and aloe vera, it helps nourish your hair and boost the rate at which your hair is growing. Why is aloe vera as effective for hair growth? Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which help heal and repair the damaged cells in your scalp. This improves the health of the hair follicles and indirectly boosts healthy and faster hair growth. Not only does the proteolytic enzyme help heal the scalp, but it also helps stimulate dormant hair follicles, promoting hair regrowth. It also helps curb hair fall and controls hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe your scalp of irritation and aggravation. Its antifungal and antiviral properties to treat dandruff and flaking. Aloe vera's high content of protein, vitamins, and minerals help it nourish your follicles and hair efficiently. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.